I got a really big team. I got a really big team. They need some. Плов в носках, в трусах, в туфлях. Заберу свое в биткоинах. Алло, братан, а где поднять бабла? Азин на 3 топора. Спасибо, мне пора.
Передовые отряды вермахта были остановлены в районе границы фабрики.
City, nobody cares.
Hey, buddy! Are you a nice goat? I don't have food, goat. Oh my god! This is a fucking llama!
Buddy, who's your best friend?
Получили категорический приказ уничтожить 8-ю армию, ликвидировать
Yeah, go ahead, pull it through.
советская разведка доложила.
Thanks, bud.
Where your ass was at, dog, when niggas wasn't feed. Where your ass was at, dog, when bitches didn't eat. Where your
I love you! I love you! I love you!
Help! I need somebody help, not just anybody help. Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I grab my lottery ticket? I think it's a winner, so I'm going to...
Часто все Однако это неожиданное выступление окончательно отбило у фельдмаршала желание переходить к активным действиям. В группе армии «Север» резервов больше нет. Это создает предпосылки к тому, что их константа командующий
Swirl. Are you ready? If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say meow.
Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I have my blanket, please? I'm really cold, so I need my blanket. cantar el son. Mariachi me acompaña cuando canto mi canción. Me gusta tomar mis copas, aguardiente es lo mejor. También el tequila blanco con su sal me da sabor. Ay, 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 ay. What you say? Oh, that you only meant well, well, 'cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best. Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I have the toilet paper, please?
I catch your eyes. Try not to smile. I check your style. I feel your vibe.
How's that kind of give her? I need to do something.
I'm going to start a farm animal sanctuary. We literally had no idea how to start it. Cora's totally going to frolic with me.
Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I take one of my socks, please? You don't pay for these, I do, and you've been sitting in them all day, so I'm going to take it right now. Come on.
Oh my gosh. Hi. Hi. What you doing?
Good job, buddy. Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I take my deodorant, stick my arm?
Кроссовки. Три полоски. Три полоски. Три полоски. Три полоски. От кроссовки. Адидас кроссовки.
Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I have my protein? You don't even lift, buddy, so I'm going to take it. Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I get my key? I'm going to be late for work. I need some sleep. It can't go on like this. I tried counting sheep, but there's one I always miss.
Nighttime wherever I go. I took a chance like I'm from Chicago. 100+ in that Mercy, I go. About to go, hey, turn it to the Caco.